Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and I am back doing give me a minute, I'm turning my ringer off, a video on something a little bit different. I'm bringing something for people that are looking for ways to make a little extra cash outside of cryptocurrency, outside of having to sell or recruit or anything like that. I wanted to introduce something that I have been doing for the last less than a week. When I'm just sitting chilling, I can do this. And it's surveys. Now, a lot of you have done surveys before and you haven't been successful at it. Trust me, I know. I've been there where you go on these sites to do surveys, and when you do them, you start them out and you're not a match, or they're worthless, okay? Waste of your time. But this one here, I must say, it is been very pretty good. And the minimum payout of it is $5. Some of the other ones, they don't pay out till like $20, $30 or more. This one is a payout at $5. They can pay out into your PayPal account, and it has other payout options. I'm going to show you that right here. This is called Branded Surveys, by the way. So you can pay out to PayPal, you can pay out to a gift card. BPay is a direct bank transfer option. They have many ways that you can receive payout in this. So if you're looking for a way to make a little bit of extra money, then doing surveys, then this is one that I really like. So you earn bonus points when you reach different levels, branded levels, and let's see. So I started December 1st, so it's been 7 days, and I've completed 14 surveys since then. And like I said, there's been some that I've done and it wasn't a match, but they still kind of give you some points, maybe a few points, 3 points. But I've been able to get 14 surveys completed, and because I was able to complete so many surveys, I was able to elevate to the next tiers, and you get bonus points when you do that. So my next tier to get to is these gold. I'm at silver. So I need 11 more surveys in order to get to the gold. And when I do that, I'm going to get more bonus points, which is going to equivalent money. All right. So right now I have 1,392 points, which is equivalent to $13.92. So like I said, the minimum payout is $5, so 500 points is what can get you the $5. So here is the reward guide. So earn a weekly bonus when you complete at least 12 surveys per week. Your bonus is a percentage of your total approved survey points for the week. So like I said, you can get extra bonus points, and I did receive some bonus points. You also can get 50 points when you refer someone and they reach the silver badge. So Again, that's up to you if you decide to do that. But if you're looking for something that's different from crypto, that's different from gifting, that's different from affiliate marketing or selling something, then this is a survey site that I recommend. So you also can get points for doing different things. They'll list it down here like a daily poll. I can get 5 points for doing a poll every day. So how satisfied are you with the survey email notification you receive from Branded Surveys? So they send you in your emails when surveys are available. And I'm satisfied with that. Okay, so majority of people are. And then, like I said, you get 50 points every time you refer active elite silver. That's where I'm at now, silver. And then can you believe what happened on TV last night? Hurry and tell us about it before the survey closes for the day. So I'll get 35 points for taking that survey. It might be over now, we'll see. Let's see, some quick questions before you get started. So I'm not going to do this here, but I'll just get started just to see how long this is. What time did you watch TV yesterday? I watched TV in the evening yesterday, and let's see. The site was kind of going slow today, but I was uploading video when this was happening. Okay, gateway timed out. So what's going on here? Sometimes you got to catch some of these things that pop up, some of these surveys that become available. You got to catch them right away. So I'll probably come back to that later. And then complete your profile. Sometimes they ask you questions regarding your profile that'll give you more points. Like, for instance, which of the following best describes your household's language? In your household, are you the person who makes the most? Yes, I am. And then please indicate your highest level of decision. So decision maker. What are your household's investable assets, excluding real estate? Let's say, I was going to put that. What time did you watch TV yesterday? And I watched it between 5 p.m. and then you submit, and there you have it. I got 5 points, that easy. Now you get something like that happens every day. So now I'm at $14, and then they have premium surveys that you can attempt to take to see what happens. And sometimes they even have surveys where it involves a webcam where you where they want you to. I did one where they you were looking at something on a screen and you were answering questions, and they wanted to read how your eyes moved and wanted to utilize your webcam survey. I thought that was pretty interesting and different, and I did do that, and I got some points out of it. So and then they have some that, some surveys that's a minute, 3 minutes, and it gives you a nice amount of points as well. That's the other thing that I like about it. So yeah, so go ahead and check it out. My link will be in my Linktree, my Linktree in the description, and I'll have the link for this in there. And that's it. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And I will be checking out some other surveys that I'll probably introduce to you guys. I'm going to start introducing other things outside of crypto opportunities, because I know a lot of people that don't really like dealing with crypto. They're not still not ready to take the plunge in it, even though a lot of money can be made in crypto, even if it's you just buying and holding. But there's other ways to make money, and I will be sharing more content like that for you to take your business, money, and your mindset to the next level. So until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye bye.
Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the